Hello, this is Magnus Kullberg from Berthon Scandinavia. Today I will show you a Boomeranger A-950 special operation boat. Boomeranger boats was founded in 1991. They are specialized in rigid hull inflatable boats of the highest quality for professional marine craft operations. Here you see the V-shaped aluminum hull and the pontoons that are made of heavy-duty Hypalon material. The Boomeranger Special Operation Boat offers a proven design for worldwide use, no matter if you're gonna drive in the tropics or in the Arctic. It is built with high quality materials and has an overscaled structure. It is a safe boat also with full load in harsh marine conditions. Walking back towards the motors, two 300 horsepower Yamaha motors giving a top speed of approximately 54 knots. They were new 2020 and they have 46 hours running time. They were just serviced by a local Yamaha dealer here in Berthon. Here is a small view of the solid roof. And we walk towards the steering place. Here you find a plotter from Garmin. There is a VHF and an instrument for motor information. This boat is also delivered together with a container, so it's easy to transport it wherever you want to send it. Space for 4 people to sit, and up here in the bow is a storage space. And here you can also get a view of the very strong and nicely made aluminum structure. It is indeed a solid boat. The seats can be opened, and under there you find storage for equipment or personal belongings. And here in front of the steering is a big locker for storage, and the battery switches are also located here. Here in the back you have 2 people behind the wheel, and you can put 6 passengers. This boat was originally delivered to Puma Ocean team for the Volvo Ocean race. So it works good as a chase boat, but of course also for different type of events. If you find this boat interesting, which I hope you do, please give me a call. It's located in Orust in Sweden, and I'm of course happy to make a real showing for you. Thank you very much for watching.